Yo, stocks 5150. Today was a rough day. One, I'm supposed to be asleep and I wasn't. I was up being greedy and I paid for it. I paid for it. We know I've been flexing all week. I've been like, oh yeah, I'm doing this, I'm doing good, and this trade worked, that trade worked. I'm getting them, I'm hitting it. Well, today, brothers and sisters, today, I want to show that. Today, look at this. I was down one. Shout out to Clay the Trader. I don't know that I shouldn't say nothing, but anyway, I was trading along with them, and I probably got distracted by getting caught up into all that. I can't blame them. I got to blame myself because look at all these trades. Boom, 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 boom. I was wide open, but this is at the end. What I did in the beginning was I got into a position up here. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour so you can see what exactly what happened. When the market opened here, I was high at 25 134. I got caught up in this range right here, thinking it would go here. I was short 25 132 or something like that. And I held that all day. Now, what type of retard am I? Well, the type of retard that was like, well, I was up. And so it's cool. I'm playing with house money. Let me say something to you about that. I'm saying this for myself because I know I'm the only one that's probably listening. No such thing as house money. It's all my money. I gave back my money today to these fools in the market. You can look over here and you see my P&L on the day, 28.44. It was as high as 3. It was as high as 3. I've been trading little ones, little ones, little ones, little ones. That's what you see. I took a nap. So I had to go take a nap because I got to go to work. I took a nap. I woke up at 3 and I was back at it. Small, 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 small. And I chipped my way back out of that 3, chipped my way down a little bit. Still in a position now, and I was swinging heavy. I got 6 contracts, so swinging pretty heavy. Um, I'm thinking that I'm gonna hold through the Asia session short, because usually it's a continuation, and if I can get that, then that'll get me at 13, nowhere near this 27 that I'm down, but I don't want to push it. Honestly, I'm probably happy just taking this 100 and closing this out, to be perfectly honest with you. Just chip away. Um, yeah, I might do that and then reset. Let me look and see what this looks like. Little bounce. Where are we sitting at? Go to the ticks. All right, that's dumping. This is market close also. So I'm gonna let this finish flushing out. 'Cause this might flush, and it might help me out. This might help me out. Save, give me a little bit, but I'm not sure where. Probably maybe go here, stop at 800. That was where I was hitting them at back and forth, playing tennis. Or we'll get down here to the 776. If we stop here to 776, maybe I'll close out there, take that, and then go back in again when the Asia session, just trade that. But it definitely has room to go down. And it just, played with us, made some money. Um, it's earnings season, so can't be too mad at the game. So as we sit here now, we're watching this one go down, and that's green, yes, but keep in mind, I gave up a lot today. Now let's go over here for the year to date on this contract. I got it highlighted. We're still green. We're at 290. But remember, we were up, obviously, 3 or something. We were up a lot, but so it's all good, man. I'm not really tripping. I'm not really tripping. This position here is still working, and P&L of the day is 26 2. We're gonna close this out. Nah, it's the way this is drifting down. I'm looking for 776. Maybe we'll hit that level there. I got this at 700. That would be the YOLO play at 700. But if it hits 776, I'll close out and then go back in again and get it. Yeah, I see I'm getting a bounce. So, matter of fact, 700 would be my target. But we'll go for, let's close this. Wait, let's see what it's going to do. Looks like they're trying to buy it. Who's buying it? Why? There we go. Let's make a move. Drop, drop. 776. Let's see what that'll give us. Go up a little bit. 776 will get us back to 4. Let's see how much of a push down we're gonna get. This is my problem. I'm greedy as fuck. Wow. I'm supposed to be doing $40 a day. If I can get $40 a day, I'd have $10,000. But here I am with 300, and I'm sitting here like, yeah, wait a minute, let it go down some more. I don't know. That is the answer why when people say why do billionaires, not that I'm a billionaire, far from it, but why do billionaires want more? You can't help it. Humans. Look at that. See, that's my target right there, 776, but it's going down through it. Let's look back and see what 776, what could it go to? 770? It could flush it all. All right, we're bouncing. Okay, so, oh, still going down. It's like it's still going down. All right, so if it pushes through this 770, then what? We had a little bit of volume here, but it's just selling off. This is market close. So this is probably like all the mutual funds and everybody closing out, man. So what is the VIX? The VIX is high as 25 today. It's pretty crazy. All right, I think that might be it. Nope. Got some more? Looks like we got more coming down further. 765. All right. So 756 maybe? 760. All right, 760. Let's see, is it bouncing right there? 63 to 465. Nope. Going some more. Going some more. 760. All right, that's a lot of resistance right there. That's 758. You see all those bounces we had there. 760. Collapsing through that. A lot of selling at the close today, at least. All right, we're at 56. I'm gonna just sit on this one and wait. 68. All right, we're drifting back up now. Let's see. I was cool with 76, so this is just, we'll see what happens. That's what got me where I'm at now, seeing what happens at 21. Look at that. That's what's coming up. So, all right, 750, 56, 55, 54. If it go to 750, then it's going back down. 53. Yep, moving down. 50. Nope. 56. Oh, we down below 740. 750. So let's see something. Let's look at this on the 1 hour. Where could we potentially be going? I know that's a good P&L right there. I ain't concerned with that right now. We are at the 1 hour bouncing exactly where we were before. We wick down here at 678. So we are at 754. The low on this was 746. The low on the previous candle was 692. All right. It looks like I don't know if we're finished or not, but got some at 750 down here. All right, it's heading back up now. Oh, still some trading going on. Some buying and some selling. All right, let's call it a day. We're gonna end this one on the day with the green one, and it's gonna be at 6:30 or something like that. And I ain't complaining. What? Oh wait. Oh, sorry. Need to buy market. I hit the wrong button. Damn it, man. Now I gotta wait. Five. We'll end it with five. Hold up. 769. 770, 71. Slight pullback. I gotta see here. I go being greedy now. Yeah, buy. Get out. All right, so close that one with four, and looks like we're pulling up a little bit. 772. Let's get one. Let's get some 770. Cancel that. Buy market. All right, we'll buy this and we'll go to possibly 800. What do we get it at? 81. We'll get out at 90. Oh, it's giving up the gas again. What did that one get to? It got to 84. Let's just take a small one on that and get out. All right, chipping away. And that's what I'm gonna do most of the night, depending on how busy it is at work. All right, so that was 83, 80, 78. Let's do 75. Where did this get to? This went to 75. Let's do 75 to do 90. Might cancel that. Let's do 85 to 90. All right, so it's sure I'm going long again, but we're gonna take this one up to 90 if it bounces. Risky, risky. What is it, 82? Yeah, that's definitely it. Maybe it'll make it. I had said 75 too. All right, so we got 82. We'll go with 90. It's late in the day. We'll go to 85. Be in and out. Definitely should have shorted. I've been trading like this all day. Fucked up. Look at that. Look at that. Dirty bitch. All right, that low. 75. Seeing it's the end of the day. So it should have went short here. That would have been the smart play. But who's here to be smart? Raise your hand. No hands raised. That was a quick wick. All right, making a move back. What did we go to before? We went to 85, 88. Maybe we make it up past 90 this time. If we can break above this level, stay. Nope. Overall, unfortunately, I'm still bullish until next week. Next week, I believe that we're gonna be definitely, definitely bearish. I mean, I don't know because it's gonna be AI stuff going on. What's that stuff? This earnings season, and it's the second week of October, third week of October. Yeah, see this right here. I should have reversed it earlier. Too late though. Gotta sit in my mess for now. It's a lower high though. Not good. See, this is what happens. I lose focus. I'll be like boom, boom, and then I'll just sit, try to swing for the fences rather than taking the short ones. I got to start taking the base hits, man, and be more consistent with that. Like I literally got to do better with that. Well, I'm picking the right direction too. 'Cause see, this would have been fine, but I chose the wrong direction, and I don't have my stops. Yeah, stop losses. I got to think on that more. That 2000 shouldn't be. I should be. It should teach me, shouldn't it? Yeah, should. Well, tomorrow earnings. The ones that matter is American Express. I would imagine that they would have good numbers because, well, people in debt, credit, 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 cards. All right, this ain't working, so I'm flatten. Hold on, the volume got light. All right, we might be turning around here. That's the problem with stuff. It's like the anticipation of it. It's like, ah, if I get out now, this could happen, and then that usually does happen. FOMO is the devil. But look, it didn't. It's coming back down to 760. Waking at 762. Yeah, not good. No bueno. It's like we're going down. Mm, yeah, just flushing everything, yo. It's a bear flag. It's gonna go down some more. Okay. Did I say that out loud so I could be wrong? So the market could hear me and then I could get it blessed? That's not a strategy at all. All right, we gotta get green on this. I gotta work out. So whatever, yo. I'm gonna let it keep going, but I'm gonna turn the mic off. I gotta lift weights. Get ready for work. Day was, I would say it was stressful, but it wasn't because what do I care? But at the end of the day, stocks are crazy. Stocks 5150. Not enough volume to bust up high like we need. Hopefully, Asian session can provide me some relief. Let's go. Still running. All right, we got out of four. We still got two left. Let's see. I'm thinking go back to the 4 hour. I was about to take a shower. Let's see, 24, 920. Take this up to 920. What would that be? All right, I'm gonna put this order in for 24, 900. Close out these two. Swinging for the fences. So I gotta go to work. So we'll see what happens overnight. All right. Stock 5150. Peace. And I'm not gonna let it stream all night either. I'm out. But today, like I said, was a reckless day. You see, we're down 21. I traded some of that back just now, as you saw. Um, and but my P&L right now on this contract, 13 and 7 running. Still good, still good. I'm glad I didn't mess with my March one. So next year is still good. So all right, we'll see what happens though. Yeah, I got this as yeah, I got 782. Got that for nine. It's 200 points in the after hours. So we'll see what happens when Asia starts. All right. Peace.